Okay, now this is day 2 from yesterday since the video I just uploaded about intake leaks and stuff. I'm going to attempt something, and I haven't rode this bike yet, so it has no tire pressure in the tires, even though it looks like it's got tire pressure. The throttle housing is broken. So come over here. I kind of got it rigged together, holding it together onto the handlebars so they don't slide off. So let's see if this thing is rideable. There's no front brake. Back brake is kind of weird. So, oh well. See if it's at least rideable in first gear. So. Well, I guess it'll roll. Seems like it wants to run. There's still a lot to do to it, but oh shoot. And it's a little sketchy with no tire pressure. Imagine that. But I guess there is some kind of hope for this thing after all. It's the first time it's run in probably 5 years. Well, it's the first time it's rolled in motion, probably about 5 years. So it gives me a little bit of optimism, even though it certainly is not roadworthy. So anyway, but that's that.